Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve these two expressions. If you know the answer for this expression, tell your answer in comment section. So first question is bracket 10 minus 2 divided by 4 plus 3. So we solve this expression by using PEMDAS rule. We solve this expression according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule. So in PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, means bracket part, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. So this is the priority order of solving this equation. And here you have to remember this multiplication and division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So you can see this expression here. We know that according to PEMDAS rule, P has higher priority. Therefore, we solve first this parenthesis part, then division, then addition. So 10 minus 2, which is 8, divide by 4 plus 3. Then next we solve this division part. So 4 to the 8, 2 plus 3, which is 5. So 5 is the correct value for this expression. Then in this way you can solve this expression also. So here 18 divided by 2 times 3 plus 3, which is 6. Then here division and multiplication is there. So as you know, both have equal priority. Therefore, we go from left to right. So we first solve this part. 2 nines are 18. So 9 into 6, which is 54. 54 is the correct value for this expression.